everyone, welcome to today's video. Today, well, we all know about those NYX pink dot sales going around. So as you guys know, I got a serious problem. So I went and because I actually had one of these. I actually can't remember which one it is, but I love it so much, so I bought them all. These are the NYX Illuminate, oh sorry, camera is the NYX Illuminating sticks, so it's bright idea. I got 5 of them. I don't know if you guys can see actually, but they are bronzers, blush and highlighters. So I got myself a bronzer shade, and then there's a light highlighter shade. I thought I would only get those, and then beautiful blushes. So I'm going to be swatching them for you guys, and as you guys can see, I've only got my makeup on my eyes and my foundation, so we're going to be contouring and all that fun stuff and see how it works. So let's get into the video. Okay, so I'm going to start from the bronzer shade. This is what it looks like. I don't know if it's showing the true color, but I do shoot with natural lighting, so it should. This one is called Bermuda Bronze, and as you guys can see, it's still new. So let's swatch that one. I'm just gonna swatch like downwards because these are so soft and they are like shimmer. So if you don't like that kind of, let me just put this away, then I can show you guys properly. If you guys don't like that type of like glowy look, you won't like this. I'm not too sure how it works with setting it, if you want to set it as a powder, but I'm not trying today. I set under my eyes and that's it. Okay, so then moving along, let's actually take the brightest pink one. This one is called the Rose Petal Pop, and it's very pink. So obviously I'm going to show you guys now how I apply it to my face. I don't just go in with a stick. So yeah, let's see how that one swatches. So that, oh sorry guys, let me bend my arm that way. So as you guys can see, that is very bright pink, but as soon as you start like blending it out, as you guys can see, it does, oh, sorry guys, it does dull down a bit. So we are going to be smudging it out. This one has like almost like it's pink, but it's got almost like an orangey tone to it, so I like that. Okay, so this one is called Coralicious. Looks very orange, but okay, let's see. This is what that one looks like. Let me just put it away. So this one is a very corally peach color, which I actually love. This is it. It's when you put it as a swatch, it's very, very dark and intense. But I'll show you guys now how I put it on. I literally put it on my blender and just like work it in. So okay, the next one is called Pinkie Dust. That is what that one looks like. And let me just not swatch it now where I can't see. Let's swatch it there. So as you guys can see, that's a very subtle one. It can almost go as a highlighter as well, but it is beautiful. Okay, I've got hairy arms, guys, so it's looking a bit chunky, but it isn't. So I'll just smudge it out a bit. Let me smudge it out, and then you guys can get an idea of what it looks like. Let me just with my finger. And then last, I've got the Pearl Pink Lace one. It's a very light color, and I'm going to be using this one as a like sort of highlighter. This one is a very, very, very light. Maybe it looks a bit darker on the camera, but it isn't. But yeah, we're going to be playing with this today on my face, and I'm going to be showing you how I use it because I love the glowy look. I always put like matte foundations on in summertime, but because obviously we do sweat in this insane weather. So yeah, firstly I'm going to be doing my bronzer, the Bermuda Bronze one. Okay, so let me just get my mirror closer. And first of all, what I'm going to do is, let me just get a brush, bronzer brush. I'm going to take a very, I almost said tactful, dense brush. And just to contour, I am going to just lightly draw a line right there. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. And just a little bit on my forehead, just dot that a bit in. And then to contour my nose, so obviously going to use a different brush for that. And yeah, let's go. I'm actually going to take a flat tip brush like this and blend it with that first. So let's blend. So as you guys can see, it really does blend away, and it just leaves you with like a very natural glowy, can you guys see that? It is so beautiful. I love it. Okay, I'm left, so I'm always struggling with this one. But how beautiful is that though? Really, I'm loving it. So can you guys see that glowy look? Okay, and then let me just sit back and just fix my forehead. I hope you guys can see what I'm doing. I put these stick-on nails on, and every time I go through my hair it gets almost stuck in the glue, and it's so painful. So I literally want to take these off and put nail glue on and stick them back on. Okay, so as you guys can see, it's a very natural, even though the swatches looked like it wasn't, it is. So you can even go in with a little bit more if you just want to bronze it up a little bit more. I'm going to show you guys now just with a second layer, and then I'm going to fix my nose, don't worry. So this is how I normally just shape my face. Come on hair, get out of me way. So it's very natural, and obviously if you've got darker skin tone, this would make a beautiful highlight for people with darker skin tone. I mean, not that I would know, but if it's so glowy, I mean, I think it would. So that's just what I think. I'm just a bit scared of giving my opinion lately on things I don't know, because I was online, I commented on a palette that I saw all these reviews about, and I literally got ripped apart because of it. Well, not ripped apart, but the specific person was quite aggressive in me commenting on things that I haven't tried. So yeah, I'm quite sensitive, so I think that hurt my feelings a bit, and I just stopped. I'm not someone for like conflict and stuff. I completely hate it. I grew up with a lot of that, and yeah, I just thought it was a bit, you know, uncalled for. But I don't know, people online are, I think I'm still at that stage where I need to just grow a thicker skin and just, you know, because I mean, we all comment on products that we haven't tried. I didn't know it was, you know, but yeah, bygones. Let bygones be bygones. I think I still need to get over that, the whole thing about letting social media comments upset me so much. But yeah. Okay, so I'm just actually contouring my nose a bit. So that's the bronze, or the bronze up sculpting. I don't know, can you guys see? I like it. I think it's so glowy for summer, and I love the natural feel that it gives my skin. It's so pretty. Okay, now I'm just wondering which one of all these I must use. Let's go for the soft pinky one. So I'm going to try that. Let me just swatch it again, because it is very shiny. That's more of an orange and that's more of a serious pink. Okay, I don't think the pink is gonna go too well, so I'm gonna go with that first shade, which is called Pinkie Dust. So literally what I do is I put this on the back of my beauty blender, and I literally just tap that on the places that I want that little bit of color. So if you guys can see, you can always just go lightly, and then you can always just put on some more, because you can see it's taken off some of it. So as you guys can see, it's already starting to build some color, and I love it. I love it a lot. And I'm wearing a matte foundation, guys, so that's actually very interesting as well, because I put on a matte foundation and I just didn't set it because I'm going to put the cream products on. My hair stuck by my nails again. So if you guys tend to have oilier skin, I think this might work for you as well if you wear a matte foundation. Oh, I love this so much. Wow. Okay, so as you guys can see, I don't know if you guys can see because it's very subtle and it's just beautiful, but this is what the bronzer and I mean, look at that glow, and I haven't even put on a highlighter yet. Can you guys see it? So I like it a lot. So yeah, now for the highlighter, you can get the gold ones, but I obviously had this one and I wanted those ones more, and I mean, I only have so much money. So I got the pink pearl pink lace one. So this one is the one I'm going to be using as a highlighter. So literally I'm going to take my beauty blender, put it on the top now because I've already used the other one, just like that, and I'm literally just gonna dab it on the higher points of my cheek. Ooh, it's so pretty. And just put a little bit more on for the side. So, wrong side. And then you can always just, if you think it's too intense, just go over with your beauty blender and put a little bit on my nose. This might be a little bit pink, I hope not. Okay, no, it's still okay. I just want to put that all over. It's so pretty. And then you can always go in and, ow, I just bumped the living crap out of my toe. Okay. And you can always go in and just contour underneath. So I do all of this with a beauty blender. Just contour a little bit, like your double chin situation. Because I have seen that they say if you struggle with a little bit of a double chin as you get older, how to do it is actually put a little bit of bronzer right here where the struggling area is, and it actually makes it recede. So I've been testing out that theory and I must say it's working quite well for me. So yeah, those are the little sticks, and I quite think that I look beautiful. Well, I don't look beautiful. My makeup looks beautiful. I think it looks beautiful. Very natural. Let me scoot in a bit and then you guys can see, like, look at the natural glow. I don't know what you guys think of it, but I really say that 10 times fast. Really. Okay, so I really like it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I think they also extended the pink dot sale. I read it on Instagram today, so you guys can definitely still pick these up. I bought so many lipsticks. I think I'm actually gonna do a video after this one with the lipsticks because I've got so many. I just wanted to show you guys, and yeah, if you guys want me to review anything else, please let me know. And thank you so much for watching, guys. And thank you to everybody that subscribed this week and getting me almost to 200 subscribers. When I started this channel, I didn't think I would even get to 50. But I've been having fun, and I hope you guys have been having fun trying things with me, learning things, and just, yeah, fooling around. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. Till next time. Bye.